everybody. So I have lots and lots of things to tell you in today's video. So the soup book is launched. Yes, we launched it yesterday for you. As you know, if you've been following me for long, you would know I've been writing this soup book for more than a year. And why? I've been talking about immunity, I've been talking about weight loss, I've been talking about the anti-aging properties that soup has. I have been thinking of your immunity since a long time, and I've been writing this book because soups really help you to enhance your immunity. They help you for your weight loss. They help you in amazing ways. They help you to have good skin, and if you're not feeling well, then also soups really help you. Soups are like so nourishing, healthy bowl of goodness. You're going to absolutely enjoy all the soups in the book. Number one question I've been getting is, Sherry, do we have veg or non-veg options in the soup? I want to tell you, majority of the soup are vegetarian. We have soups like tomato soups, asparagus soup, mushroom soup, then we have lentil soup, like dal soups, and different kind of soups for you to really experiment. I also have a Japanese soup for you, I have continental soup for you, I have Indian style soup for you. So I picked up like the best soups for you around the globe that you're going to really enjoy, different taste, and really love all the soups. So if you want to get your hand on the soup book, just type soup book in the comments below. My team will send you a link and you can go get your copy of the soup book. Also, I want to tell you that because of the COVID-19, I know how things are. Whatever pricing we have done on the soup, we're giving currently a 50% discount because I know that I want to help you really get the soups in for your immunity, for your feeling good, for your waistline. It's all the more time now to build your health, and I did not want to price that book on the full price. I wanted to give a discount for you because I know how the times are. So we will go back to the original price of the book after some time. So get your hands on the book while it's 50% off, because we will be going back to the original price of the book. Okay, so I don't want you to miss out on that 50% discounted offer on the soup book, because just get your copy and you can just start making some amazing soups. I do recommend you to have at least one soup a week. It's going to help you nourish your body. So I'm going to read this out for you. Tomato soup. Now what it has is, it has fiber, potassium, vitamin A, vitamin C. It's going to help boost your immunity, promote heart health and weight loss. And you can use ripe and juicy tomatoes to make this tomato soup recipe. Alright, so preparation time is roughly 25 minutes, and the recipe I'm going to give you is going to serve 6 people. If you're 3 of you, you can half the recipe, or if it's just you staying single, you can just use 1/6 of the ingredients. So ingredients, what we have is 1 teaspoon of butter, 2 teaspoons of olive oil, 5 to 6 medium-sized fresh tomatoes, 1 carrot. Now, the reason why you're going to get the color in the soup is because of this secret ingredient that I've not seen in any of the tomato soup recipes. You go to YouTube, you're going to see recipes. You're not going to find what I'm going to give you in this soup book. The kind of recipes I have are absolutely fabulous. So I have here for you half small beetroot. This beetroot is going to get the color for you in the tomato soup, half small beetroot. 4 florets of broccoli or cauliflower. So if in India, you can even use cauliflower. If you don't have cauliflower or broccoli, you can skip it, that's fine. But if you have your hands on it, that's what you're going to use. So 4 florets would be this much, Okay. 1 floret is this much, so 4 florets. 1 medium-sized potato. Now what potato does is, potato is basically carbs, and when you're having the soup on your own, you're going to get that filling feeling because of the carbs in the soup, so you don't need to have something specially with the soup. If you don't want to, just the soup itself will be enough. And just with the potato, now I've used all natural thickness in the soup book. There is nothing artificial about it. Alright, 4 cloves of garlic, 4 pieces of garlic, not the spice clove, it's 4 pieces of garlic, so 4 cloves of garlic. 1 to 2 sticks of celery. This is optional. If you get celery in your country, that is fine. If you don't, that is fine too. So the next is half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, and then we have 2 to 3 cups of water. Now you can vary the water as per the thickness of the soup that you need. You can go up and down, roughly 2 to 3 cups, but you would know what kind of soup you like. Sometimes I go in for a little thin soup, sometimes I like a little bit thick soup, so it all varies. 1 teaspoon of pepper and 1/4 cup milk. Now what will milk do is, milk is going to give that little bit sweet flavor, and that very tangy extra flavor from the tomatoes is going to, like, you know, curb that for you. Yeah, all right. So the method now, heat butter and olive oil together in a pressure cooker. Now pressure cooker, because I cook a lot of soups in pressure cooker. I'm a busy mom. If you are a busy woman and you don't have that extra time, like I'm very busy. I run this whole mission of health and lifestyle, and I've got kids, and I'm very busy. Yeah, so I don't have time to really do soups in the normal pots and pans. I believe in quick cooking and nutritious cooking and being out of the kitchen as fast as I can. Okay, so majority of a lot of my soups are in pressure cooker. Somebody asked me the question, Sherry, we've got soup maker, can we make soups? Now really depend what kind of soup maker you have. Many of the soups can be done in the soup maker as well. Okay, so yeah, in a pressure cooker, medium heat, add chopped garlic, sliced onion, and let it turn brown. That is in butter and olive oil. You add garlic and onions and let it turn a little bit brown, light brown, not dark brown, light brown. Add tomatoes, carrots, celery, beetroot, broccoli, potato. Just add everything. Yeah, add cumin powder, garam masala, coriander powder, salt and pepper to taste. So everything goes in the cooker all at once. Close the lid, yeah, and cook for 15-20 minutes, 10 minutes on slow flame after the steam releases or after 1 whistle. It is tomato soup, guys. You don't really need to go for that long. So 1 whistle is 10 minutes on slow flame. After 1 whistle is completely fine. Not more than 10 minutes. You don't need it. I mean, it won't harm if you go further than 10, 15, 20 minutes, but it's not needed because you're doing in a pressure cooker. It's quick cooking and nutritious cooking for you. Let it cool for some time. I always like to you know, have my soups cool down before actually I blend them. Now how you blend them is your choice. I personally use a hand blender. It's very quick for me to use a hand blender. You can use a blender that you have, or popularly known as a mixie. You can pour into that, blend, and then you know, that's one way. But I prefer a hand blender. It's very quick. Then I don't have to change the pots. I don't have any mixie to wash, no blender to wash, and just hand blending the soup is really helpful for me. So blend the soup just the way you want to into a smooth puree. Trust me, if you like tomato, and it's a homemade soup, if you don't mind the seeds, then it's fine. You can just do it the way I do and not really take out the fiber. Yeah. So blend the soup into smooth puree. Then again put the back. So I do it in the cooker. It's done. Heat soup on low flame again. Then add water. Add ½ cup milk. Milk you always add later. Sprinkle fresh ground pepper and mint to taste and serve. And be careful if you enjoy it piping hot. So this is the soup recipe right here for you, as per given in the soup book. Yeah, so if you would like to get your hands on soup book, let me know. I have many other amazing soup recipes for you. I've been doing soups for a while, and I absolutely love you to enhance your health with a yummy bowl of soup. So do type soup book in the comments below if you would like to get your hands on the soup book. We launched yesterday. We have so many of you get your hands on soup book. A lot of you have already got a copy of your book. I'm very happy for you. So do try, and then you try one of the soups from the book. Please click a picture, take a selfie and tag me. I would love to know. Also, I have a surprise for you at the end of the book. So it's a soup story. The name of the book is Soup Story. I tell you my story. You get to read my story, me and soups, what happened, and then in the end of the book I have an amazing surprise for you. Lots of love. Bye.